Look at this. Thousands of rusty brake discs. The transformation journey starts right now.
Step 1. Wash away the rust. High-pressure water, ready to go.
Soap and water. Blasting away that stubborn grime. Watch the rust melt away. Look at that filthy water.
All the dirt washed away. The cleaning phase is complete.
Into the oven. Extreme heat will dry them out instantly.
Feel the heat. Blazing temperatures. Bone dry.
Steam rising. Ready for the crushing phase.
Escaping the flames. These metal chunks are about to face the giant machine. Pump up the heat, making sure not a single drop of moisture is left.
Up the slope. The shredding awaits.
A massive system. Tons of metal moving non-stop. Watch out, falling straight into the almighty crusher. Crush it, chewing through steel like paper. Unstoppable.
Shattered into thousands of pieces. Preparing for rebirth.
Pouring down like a waterfall. Smaller pieces melt much faster. Sifting it out. Every shard is heading to the inferno.
Straight into the belly of the beast. Time for a total transformation.
Welcome to Hellfire. Maximum melting point. Melting down. Everything merges into a glowing river of magma.
Thousands of degrees. Hard metal is now just glowing red water.
Scraping the impurities. Removing the slag for the purest steel. Stir it up. Keep stirring. The perfect metal is taking shape.
Absolutely beautiful. A waterfall of glowing light pouring into the molds.
The magma river finding its new form. Let it flow.
Pouring into the sand molds. Precise to the millimeter.
Perfect cast. Flawless shape. Sparks dancing everywhere. Cooling down slowly. The basic shape is formed.
Peeling the shell. The new metal entity has arrived.
Rapid cool down. Steam erupting everywhere.
Washing away the sand. Revealing the rock-solid surface.
Punch it, punching a perfect center hole.
Everything is taking shape, waiting to be sharpened up.
Grab and drop. Into the ultra-precise CNC machine.
Shaving it flat. Sparks flying like fireworks. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Perfecting the center hole. Every millimeter must be absolute.
Grinding the edges. Smoothing out every rough corner.
Polishing the surface. getting ready for a colorful new coat.
Perfectly refined. Smooth surface, not a single flaw.
Moving to the paint booth. A colorful transformation is about to happen.
Powder coating. Sticking to every millimeter.
Vibrant blue. A fresh coat for cold metal.
And dazzling yellow. Dazzling yellow. Beautiful and diverse.
Powerful red. Ready to push the limits of strength.
Fully covered. Flawless from every angle.
Bright and solid. Now let's wash away the excess.
Washing off the loose powder. Keeping only the toughest layer.
Water blast. Water and color perfectly blended.
A massive assembly line. Thousands of perfect products ready to ship.
Look at that. Mechanical beauty mixed with the vibrant red of pure energy.
Baking the paint. Locking in the color forever with blazing heat.
Moisture evaporating. The paint hardens, tough and durable.
Cooling down. High-power fans dropping the temp instantly.
Max airflow. Not a single speck of dust or water survives.
Through the fire one last time. Forged in flames.
The final touch. The perfect fusion of steel, fire, and color.
Cool, solid, and beautiful. We turn scrap into a masterpiece.
Full scan. AI won't miss a single tiny flaw.
3D laser scan. Measuring the shape with absolute precision.
An incredible journey. From rusty scrap to ultimate muscle-building gear.